Pass or play?
Play!
Sana all.
30, 31, 32, 33.
Sir, excuse me, sir. I have a push-up challenge with a 5,000 pesos cash prize. Would you like to take the challenge? If you beat me, you win 5,000 cash. If not, you still get 200 pesos cash prize. Pass or play?
Play!
Okay. Where are you from, sir?
Balatan, Camarines Sur.
What's your name?
Ryan Ortiz.
Okay. Ano year nyo na po?
Second year, BSE.
Okay. Bago tayo mag-start, stretching muna tayo.
Sana all.
Sana all!
Okay. Position.
Ready? 1, 2, 3, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46.
Okay. Still, congratulations. So, meron mo akong 200 pesos. So, thank you. Baka meron kang gustong i-shoutout, kakilala mo. Baka meron kang jowa. Okay. Okay, sige, shoutout mo na.
Shoutout kay Sir Cheng. Huwag ka magpag-quiz bukas.
Sana all.
Nakasajowa ka po.
Okay, nice support. Bro, thank you.